Hey guys, today I'm gonna show to you how I make a stovetop espresso coffee. So I put that water over here at the bottom of this pot. This is a stovetop espresso maker, and then put this filter in between this top part and the bottom part. Then now we're gonna pour our coffee granules, a premium roast ground coffee by Colombia. So if you want it strong, you can fill in the whole filter. Then you level it there. And I put aside that coffee before it toppled over. And then we're gonna close this espresso stovetop pot. Espresso stove top pot. It's kind of a little bit of a, what do you call it, tongue twister. Stove top pot. Make sure you tighten it. So we're gonna put the cap to tighten this pot. That's it. We got this from TJ Maxx. It's kind of cute, that's why I got it. We're gonna remove now our main dish, which is I'm trying to heat. I cooked that yesterday. Then we're gonna put this coffee. That's it. And we're gonna wait for it to come out on this part. It's like after it boiled down here, it evaporates or push the coffee on top. So that's it. We'll see. Isn't that cute? I love this wooden handle. It's just so cute in your kitchen to have for personal use, for just 1 cup of coffee, espresso coffee. Here we are. The coffee is getting closer now. I'm tapping out on top. Getting closer now. I just want to show to you guys how it come out in that hole. We have to make sure it doesn't splatter towards you. So you just have to quickly cover it with this. Oh, that's it. Isn't that cool? It's like a fountain. Need to cover it. Oh my god, need to close it now. See, it gets filled so quick. Now you can turn it off. That's it. Now we have an instant espresso coffee. How cool is that? Quick and easy from your own home. So now we're gonna put a natural creamer for our coffee to this cup. That's good enough. Then we're gonna add our espresso. By the way, you have to hold it on this top. Oh, It's hot. Got burned. I need to put down my camera. Oh, okay. I'll find a way how to focus the camera without me holding. Okay, so this is it. You have to hold it here so your coffee goes straight to your cup. How nice is that? Voila. Perfect. So now I'm gonna show you that the bottom part is empty. This one at the bottom. We're gonna open this, split it into 2 or 3, remove the filter. Twist this top. Start to twist. Twist, twist, twist. See? There. This is like where your espresso is, your fresh espresso coffee. Then this is where the coffee granules is, the filter for coffee granules. Then we're gonna remove this filter. So we're just gonna flip it. That's it. We remove now the filter. Here's the filter. Throw the granules to basura. Then here we are. The bottom part, see, the water now is empty. So now I pour the last coffee from the pot. Have a second round of your espresso from your own home, from the comfort of your own home. Oops. Sorry for that. Bye for now. So that's our Stovetop espresso coffee. Ready to wake you up and ready to do your works every day. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.